This project supports the restoration of deforested areas through reforestation for the management of risks linked to climate change and a response to sustainable water management, the fight against flood and drought in the territory of Walungu in the South Kivu in DR Congo is planned for a period of 6 months and aims to 1. Strengthen the capacities of local nurturing in production techniques of fast growing forest and species for the management of risks linked to climate change. A response, sustainable water management, flood and road control to facilitate the restoration of deforested areas by reforestation of fast-growing forest species by local communities in areas for the reduction of gas emissions in Ishamba, Kalunga and Kamnyola in the territory of Walungu in South Kivu in the DR Congo. Vegetation conserve plays a very important role. For this, it is necessary to take urgent and concrete measures to conserve and maintain forest resources, to give the public a better perception of the value of forest and their permanent contribution of human well-being. Good.